Let's go. I'm gonna go slightly take now. Okay, once we know already timing, how to count samba, and already we got introduced to the 8 different timings, variations of the steps we could have. The first step we would like to touch base today is a Crusado Walk. How to do Crusado Walk in a simple way, and then I'll give you some tips how to make it look very even better. So number one, so flex your legs. Now change weight on one of the leg, to knee bend. Now from here, from this low position, in which we have a lot of compression through our body weight to the floor, to our knees, as we rise, almost before complete straightening of my knee, we're gonna shoot our leg forward on 2 balls of the feet and start sliding it slightly forward to the split position. So this will be level number 1. So preparation, first we're gonna prepare 2 bent knees. Now from here, as we straight our legs, we're gonna shoot our leg forward in a 2 ball of the foot position, split weight position. Now from here, the leg will travel slightly forward, and from here, level 2, we're gonna lower our heel first. Heel goes down first. So one more time. So we have a preparation position, 2 knee bend together, compress. As we try to straight our knees almost before the knee straight, when we shoot our leg forward, slide leg forward. Now heel goes down. Now as the heel touching the floor, we start bending our standing knee and getting over the leg. And once our knee bend and cannot go anymore forward, we release the back leg to collect it under our body with a slight compression feeling. And then here again, we at the same position as we started. So 2 knee compressed, legs start to straight, and almost before the leg straight, we shoot our leg forward, the leg a little bit slide, heel goes down first, then we bend our knee as we completing transferring of the weight, and then the leg collects. And go 1 and 2. So this is just the main concept how to do Crusado Walk. Later on, I will do the whole videos like where I go in depth about this step, but this is just general understanding. Now, in order for this step to occur, we have to really use our body action and squeeze and compress our body to control that step. So how we do it? So number 1, focus on your standing leg. No, not of course. We want to really squeeze our shoulder to our standing hip to control that leg sliding forward. Now from here, that back leg rotation and the squeezing of the back leg will control the lowering of that knee. And now from here, as we have our rib cage forward, we're going to imagine like there is a button, and we press this button in to collect the leg and have everything being controlled through our body. So even when we are learning correct steps, we want to control everything through our body. So one more time. So let's use squeezing of your standing leg, hip and shoulder together using compression. And as you compress, you rotate. That allows us to proceed forward and control how far down we go. Now from here, we have one side really, really forward. We're going to start with the pressing our rib cage in. Same time, we have a squeezing and rotation in our hip and thigh and leg, and then we proceed forward. And by using our body, we can really control how our step is happening. See you in the next lesson.